Hi everybody, my name is Kimberly. I'm a dental hygienist at Dental Innovations, and I wanted to pop on while we're having this crazy life situation happening and just let you know that you're not alone. Also wanted to let you know that even though we are not seeing regular cleaning patients, and you may have missed us, and I know that you're probably disappointed about that, we have not abandoned you, and if you have any dental emergencies or concerns, please call our office because we are open to help you with those. I wanted to talk a little bit about how we can keep you healthy during this time. I know it's a crazy, crazy world we're happening right now, and we're right along beside you trying to navigate through this uncharted territory. But how can we keep you healthy while you're home with your kids, possibly working from home, or, trying to get the kids on a routine? And I think the best way, as you know, is with the brushing and flossing. So just really quickly, a couple quick tips or tricks that I can give you is just to make sure that you're keeping within your routine. If I know everything is just wacky right now, but if you keep with your routine with brushing twice a day, 2 minutes each time, and if we're using floss, that's wonderful. If you don't have the best luck with floss, I know I have a lot of patients that they can't do it. This whole string floss thing is just such a mystery to you. It's very difficult to maneuver in there, especially if you have big hands or not limited on time. There are a couple other adjuncts that I brought out here today to show you. As you can see, I'm outside because outside's not closed, so taking advantage of the sunlight. So I brought a couple things with me to show you some adjuncts or maybe some additions to floss if you're already flossing. These are some handy little things that you can use to make sure that you're keeping things clean in there. These are called soft picks. They come in a really large package, and you just kind of break them off. The nice thing about these is they're one-handed, so you can kind of use them while you're busy, helping the kids with homework, or watching the news, or checking your news feed to see what's new in the world today. So these have a really nice rubber tip on them. They're very soft and they're flexible, so they're not going to hurt you. And what you can do with these is just use them like you would a toothpick. You're going to go in between your teeth like this a couple times, and you're going to go in between each teeth that it will reach. You're going to make sure that when you're doing this, and you're going to get the back teeth too, obviously. I don't want to do this whole video while I'm using this. But the nice thing about these is that it's stimulating the gum tissue to reduce plaque, but it's also stimulating the gum tissue to reduce bleeding. And that's really important when you're trying to prevent gum disease and trying to prevent things from being stuck in between your teeth. The other option that I brought today is this little flosser. There's mixed opinions on whether or not people, particularly in the dental profession, like these flossers, but I say if you are not willing to or able to use traditional floss, then these are some really great tools to use instead. When you're using this, what you want to make sure that you're going up and down on either side of the tooth, instead of just breaking it in and breaking it right back out. This one in particular also has a little pick in it that you can get in there and kind of pick around too. But if you're not using something in between your teeth, you're actually not getting about 40% of your tooth clean. So if you think of it that way, it kind of puts it in perspective that it's really important that you're making sure that you're keeping in between your teeth clean. And the last thing that I brought with me out here today is a water pick or a water flosser. And this one in particular actually goes in your shower with you, but there are countertop units as well. And this uses a combination of pulsation along with water to help break free that plaque and debris and really keep things clean in there. The other thing I want to mention is that if you have any symptoms that are, if you're sick in any way, whether it just be the cold, the common flu, anything like that, you want to make sure that you are changing your brush heads. If you have an electric brush, you want to get a new brush head for that day. If you have a manual brush, go out and buy yourself a new brush. And preventatively, another really nice thing to do is to make sure that you're getting some additional fluoride on your teeth, and that would be with a fluoride rinse of some sort. We like to recommend stuff that has zero alcohol in it, so if you can find that in the store, that's fantastic. But just to let you know that you guys We're all figuring this out together. We're trying to keep you healthy. I'm sorry that we're not able to provide those cleanings for you right now, but it will all resume back to normal soon. We'll be back up and running, and things will be back to normal before you know it. So hang in there, stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you all soon. Thanks.